Going after like industrial control systems or
Yeah.
Internet of Things devices, that has become a huge problem
Yeah.
lately. Like there's a lot of ransomware groups that are specifically targeting that. The Dragos report that I was reading showcased that there has been a like exponential increase in the amount of attacks that are going after those systems specifically, like Honeywell systems as
Yep.
an example. Yeah.
Well, I was surprised to see that Black Kite has found that manufacturing is the #1 most targeted industry 4 years in a row. And that makes sense because they have, these incredibly intense uptime requirements. They lose millions of dollars a day if their factories are shut down. So they're under real pressure to recover quickly, maybe pay a ransom demand. And at the same time, they don't have the same level of regulatory oversight. They don't have examiners, they don't have auditors for the most part coming in and checking their security. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Sherry Davidoff.
And I'm Matt Duran. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining, and we'll see you next time.